Today is the final push on this Chrysler Crossfire. Interior reassembly, blower motor fix, and final detail. No shortcuts. When this car leaves the garage, it needs to be sell ready because it funds the dream. All right, let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna pick up where we left off in the last episode. We got the interior all disassembled and the carpet removed so we can get it all pressure washed off. We're gonna come in here and get the interior all vacuumed up, get all loose bits out, and then come in and wipe down all the stickiness from the drink that had spilled on the stereo that I mentioned before. And then we're gonna start getting the interior all reassembled and detailed up, and then move on to getting the rest of the car all ready for sale. So, all right, let's do it. Interior up front here is all finished up. I'm gonna get a new steering wheel cover for it because this one's actually a greenish Alcantara. It used to be in the Mazda that my daughter had when the Mazda got rear-ended on the street, and I got her this car. She moved the steering wheel cover over this, but it's the wrong color. So I'm gonna get a new steering wheel cover that's a gray Alcantara, so that'll match everything. But in the meantime, we're gonna move into the back and get the trunk all detailed up. So, all right, let's do it. All right, so I got the trunk all detailed up. Looks a heck of a lot better in here, nice and clean now. So we're gonna get the car pulled out so we can get all washed up. First, we gotta move a couple of cars. So, all right, let's do it. All right, so we got the Crossfire pulled out. One thing I need to do before I get to washing it is to put the little grills back on. This one, the vehicle had on it, if you remember from a previous episode, but I went ahead and found one online, purchased it, so we can get that put on, so the front end will have both the grills on it. So let's get these installed and we'll get it all washed up. All right, so I went to the auto parts store and picked up a new steering wheel cover and new floor mats, so let's get those installed. All right, so I got the new floor mats here. They're cut to fit, so you just get them laid in place. You find out where you need to cut them so that they fit real nice and clean. So anyway, let's get these fit up. All right, so we got the new steering wheel cover here. I went with the gray so it matches the interior. It's a nice soft supple leather, so should go real nice in here. I was wanting to get a gray Alcantara, but they didn't have any at the store, so I went with this. I think it'll go real nice with the interior. So all right, let's get this installed. All right, so the Crossfire is all finished up. There's only one last thing to do, which is put a blower motor resistor in, but that's not going to be here until after Christmas. And I'm gonna try to get this video edited and everything and put up for tomorrow for Christmas Eve. So anyway, the car is going to be put up for sale for $4,000. And when it sells, I'll let you know how much I got, if I got that much or a little bit less. But with everything that's been done to it, I think that $4,000 is a fair asking price. Anyway, I hope you guys like this one. Make sure to hit the bell notification so you get notified of any future episodes. If you don't know where that's at, it's where you hit the subscribe button and then it'll change over to a bell. You hit the bell notification and click all so you get notified of all future videos I post, not just the ones for the flipping cars to get the dream car, for anything I do. And I have quite a few new projects coming up as far as cars and different topics. I got a couple of barn finds coming up. I got a possible giveaway that I'm thinking about doing. I'll let you guys know what the giveaway is going to be right now. It's going to be a 1964 Chevy El Camino. So it is going to be a project car, one that it'll be a giveaway as a project car, maybe a father-son, father-daughter project of anybody that likes the 64 El Caminos. I'm going to be trying to come up with some merch, whether it be keychains or bracelets or hats, t-shirts, things like that. So that I've got in the works. So I hopefully will have some merch coming soon for anybody to purchase if they're wanting to help support the channel. So anyway, I hope you guys like this one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.